This is Digital Picture 4, which you would do after you have gotten a signature for Digital Picture 1. Digital Picture 4 is where you can import in a background. You have 3 choices for this. You can either have brought pictures in from home on an SD card. You have taken pictures on a school camera and now you have those on an SD card. And this video will show you how to get the images offline. If you have it on an SD card, then you would just refollow the steps for Digital Picture 1 where you uploaded your pictures onto your Z Drive. The first thing that you need to do is you're going to go ahead and go to Google. And it's important that what you type in here, you are exact. So I just don't type in Ankeny, I type in Ankeny, Iowa. Once I've done this, I now need to change it to an image search. Then, and these 2 steps are important, I have to go to Settings and I have to go to Advanced Search. So I went to my wheel, Advanced Search. From there, I scroll all the way to the bottom. It's important that I select Free to Use, Share, or Modify. It doesn't matter whether used commercially or not. You are not, under our license agreement with Photoshop, allowed to sell anything that you make here at school, but this makes sure that we have the rights to modify the image. And click Advanced Search. Once that is done, you have one more thing you need to do before you will have images that you can use. You have to go to Size, go down to Larger Than 2 MP. If you don't do this, your images will turn out blurry once we transfer them into Photoshop and we're ready to print. Then you are welcome to use any of these images that you see, but there's several steps you have to follow. So first you have to click on the image. Then you have to click View Image. And if it's available to click View Original Image, then do that one. Once you have this image, then you can right click on it, go to Copy. Then you can go over to Photoshop and you're going to go File, New. This window will pop up, you click OK, and then you press Control V and your image should be there. If it didn't work, just try it again, right click and hit Copy. The one last little important caveat would be, even if you're very careful in what you search, there's a chance that images are going to pop up that you realize you shouldn't be seeing at school. If that happens, you immediately close down the window and you raise your hand and notify the instructor. If you do this, you're not in trouble and it's fine, and the instructor will note for the records in case something comes up due to that search, and you can get help refining so you can find images that would be appropriate. If you instead turn to your partner and make an issue out of what you have on the screen, you are then going to be held responsible for what is on your screen. Please ask for help if you need it. Oh, also, sorry, one little more caveat. You can do this for anything. So if I wanted to next get a picture of Justin Bieber because I want to make him look like he's riding the sheep, like a horse, I could do the same exact system, making sure that I am modifying for free to use and modify images, and then I'm also searching larger than 2 MP files.